Summer lovers, this is your salad. It's got fresh basil, couscous, and corn over a bed of crisp greens. But that's only the beginning. Our favorite, Cy Foster, is serving up this hit of the picnic summer salad. It's so good to see you. I've missed you.
I have missed you too.
You and your Levain chocolate chip cookies taking over the world. If you haven't tried her recipe, she's got a killer cookie recipe up on your website right now.
Everyone's obsessed with those. That's all we're seeing is cookies, cookies, cookies.
Well, today we're seeing couscous, and I feel like you and I bonded over this recipe.
We did.
Are you going to set this up for us, or am I?
Sure. Well, no. Why don't you?
You want me to embarrass myself? We were at a party at your house.
Right.
How many women were there? Like 100?
Right. Probably about
100 women. I knew all of these women. I loved all of these women. I started at the salad table in Cy's beautiful kitchen, took a taste of my salad before I left the kitchen, and that was my mistake. I planted myself by that bowl of salad the entire evening, made people approach me. I didn't move. I didn't move. I kept, every time Cy would turn around, I'd scoop another spoonful on my plate. Does that sum it up?
Yes. Well, pretty much.
Fine.
It's great. It's such a good salad, though. I mean, if you're going to park yourself by a salad, it should be this one, right?
I'm not alone, right? You get a ton of feedback about this.
Every time I make this salad, people ask me for the recipe. They tell me it's the best salad they've ever had. And so I think the thing that really sets this salad apart, Brooke, is that there are kind of our two secret ingredients, or two kind of key ingredients that set it apart from all other salads.
Give it to us.
So one is the dressing. And so let's just put the dressing together really quickly.
Okay. The dressing that I pretty much drank that night.
Yes. So really, the dressing, you just want to put a straw in it. It's so good,
it's
right?
True. It's true.
So it's mayonnaise, right? And I use the full-fat mayonnaise. I don't use a light mayonnaise with this.
Bring on the straw.
Right. But you could probably get away with using a light. And then buttermilk. And one of my tips about buttermilk is I really like to buy a brand that comes from a really good dairy, like Winter Dairy. Something that's, they're just usually thicker than the other brands of buttermilk.
There's a richness to it.
Yeah, so I usually buy Winter Dairy or another kind of local dairy buttermilk. And then it just has salt and pepper. Okay, we're just gonna put a little salt and pepper in.
You're making this seem so basic. People,
it is so easy.
One bite of this, though, it's gonna change your salad life.
It is so easy. And a little bit of red wine vinegar. Okay, for a little tartness. And then the shallot, I think, makes a difference. It kind of has like this oniony / garlicky flavor,
I'm not an onion person or even a garlic person, but this got me.
I know, but it is so good. And it's just really subtle. And you just want to put this in.
Okay.
And then you're going to use fresh basil. So I think the fresh basil is what really sets this dressing apart and makes it taste so good. It's just, I just wash the leaves, I just plop them in. And you're going to do about a cup altogether. And then this is my secret weapon, right?
Here it comes.
The immersion blender. And I just kind of stick it in. I give it a few pulses. I don't like to stick this into a regular blender because I feel like it turns the dressing green. But I like to do it this way so that you can still see the little flecks.
There's a prettiness factor to that.
Yeah, it's really a pretty dressing. Yeah. So that's the dressing, and I think that that's one of the things that really, really makes this a great salad. The other thing is this salad is just, it's really basic. Okay, we've got chopped greens, which we're gonna put into the, into this container. And I brought this container because I thought it was kind of fun to would be fun to show you if we put this together. We could make this a really easy thing to take to someone. If we need to take a dinner to someone, you can make this as a side or as a main dish if you throw some chicken in.
It can transport well.
Right. So we're just going to put this chopped greens, and I really like to use romaine. Because it holds up well.
Literally, my mouth is watering right now. I'm having like the happiest memory flashbacks.
Okay. And then I like to use the corn off the cob. You just cook it, and then you cut it off. And I like it that it kind of stays together
kind of chunks up. Corn is unique in a salad. You don't see corn in many salads outside of a taco salad.
You want to break that up?
Yes, I do.
Okay, and then the other ingredients are just really basic, too. You have some craisins, which are dried. Yeah, we use about half of those.
Okay.
And then this is some Parmesan that I've already shaved or grated.
Fresh again.
Okay. This is the other secret ingredient, or the ingredient that really sets this apart. It's a couscous. It's a roasted garlic and olive oil couscous. And if you can boil water, you can make this. You just boil water, you put it in, you put the lid on, it sits for 5 minutes, and you stir it up.
Is this the kind you use that evening at the party? Okay.
That's it. And then we just sprinkle this over the top.
I want to get this right.
We sprinkle this over the top, okay? And that's the thing that I think people eat it, and they keep saying, what's in this?
What is
What's in this, right? Okay, and then these are just pumpkin seeds. which roasted pumpkin seeds.
So there's
and
your crunch to complement the greens.
Right?
That's it?
That's it.
This is the magic salad that I devoured.
And I brought this so that you could take this home
Oh,
tonight.
stop. Did you really?
Yes. So you can
I
just
love
take
you.
this
I love
home.
you even more than I loved you before. I loved you even more than I loved you 5 minutes ago.
And this will be just a perfect dinner for your little family.
Oh, that's so sweet of
Just
you.
throw
Thank
some
you so
chicken
much.
in.
I
Okay.
did. I was joking with Sai during the commercial break. I said, I'm totally going to embarrass myself and just say I ate that whole bowl of salad at the party. And Sai said, oh, Brooke, the bowl at the party was way bigger than that. And yes, you did. It's amazing. It's so amazing. Recipe on your website?
Yes, it is. On the website, it's under basil and couscous salad.
Okay,
So.
people, you want this. We'll link you over from our website to make it easy. And we talked about the cookies briefly at the beginning. You posted a Basic Levain, which is a popular New York bakery.
Right.
Chocolate chip cookie, but you upped your game on that.
We just this week posted the peanut butter chocolate. So it's delicious.
You want
it's
that
just
too.
amazing.
See why she's our favorite food friend? Many, many reasons. This take-home plate included. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.